What interesting facts do you know about the human body? The tongue is the only muscle in the human body that is attached only on one side. The heart is about the size of a fist. There are about 72 kilometers of nerves in the human body. Human bones are 4 times stronger than concrete. The body fights off at least one cancer cell per day. Every day a person loses an average of 60 to 100 hairs. A person sneezes at a speed of up to 160 km per hour. The nose is capable of recognizing and remembering 50,000 different odors. Gastric juice can dissolve zinc. If it were possible to apply the strength of all the muscles at once to lift weights, then they would be able to lift a load of 25 tons. The brain does not feel pain. Although it receives pain information throughout the body, the brain itself does not have pain receptors that would allow it to feel pain. The skin of an average man weighs 5 kilograms and that of an average woman 3 kilograms. 2 facts. 1. The female clitoris is much more than the nub we see on the outside. It has a whole internal structure inside the lower genital area, and 2. That structure, kind of in function but mainly in shape, is very similar to that of the penis and scrotum structure when you look at diagrams comparing the two. Your body produces 300 billion new cells every day. 50,000 of them will die and be replaced by new ones while you are reading this sentence. A very small number of people will cough if anything is in either ear. But some people will cough if it is in one ear. Arnold's ear cough reflex is the term for it. The number of bacteria living in the human body is 3 times the number of its own cells. About 3 kilograms of bacteria live in a human body with a height of 170 centimeters and a weight of 70 kilograms. In 1 hour, a person loses about 600,000 old skin cells. The diameter of women's hair is half that of men's. It takes 7 years for all your cells to die and be rebuilt, so technically every 7 years you have a brand new body. It helped me when I was raped, so in 3 years I'll have a body HES never touched. Your pupils dilate when you look at the one you love. They react the same way to the sight of the person you hate. You could imagine how everything would feel if you touch it with your tongue. The human body is biological, whatever that means. A single person's blood veins could, if in a straight line, wrap around the Earth 2.5 times. Some people's organs are flipped the other way around. So their heart lies slightly to the right on their chest, rather than left. These people are also commonly left-handed. All people with blue eyes are related to one common ancestor from about 6–10,000 years ago. I don't know all the actual terms for the parts. But the part of your eyes that is like the lens perceives what you're seeing upside down. And it's flipped around in your brain. I probably sound dumb as shit, but it's something like that. Your tongue works the same way tentacles do, so it's kinda like a nice mouth tentacle. Also, teeth are like naked-ass bones, which I always thought was weird. Another thing, you can swallow a long enough string and floss your entire digestive tract mouth to anus. Redheads go through anesthesia faster than any other hair color. I was always asked by anesthesiologists if I'm a natural redhead, 'cause my hair was dyed when having surgeries. I also drove a friend, redhead, for a procedure, and he snapped out of his anesthesia so fast the nurses were shocked, and so was I. You can effortlessly bite your fingers off, your brain just stops you. The length of your thumb is the length of your nose. And the length of your forearm is the length of your foot. And that's not all. If you spread your arms, their size will be comparable to your height. It takes 17 muscles to smile, 43 to frown, 200 to walk, and 300 to stand. Our bodies release a faint light. Bioluminescence. I believe. It's just so weak. It cannot be seen by the naked eye. Babies are born without kneecaps. If they had 'em, either the birth would be incredibly difficult and painful or the child would snap its legs. So they grow them slowly afterward. Your eyes remain the same from birth to death. The only bone that isn't connected to at least one other bone in the hyoid in your neck. There is a deformity where you can grow too much cartilage on you to ribcage and it can expand. Pectus carinatum. Or concave. Pectus excavatum. An example of someone notable having this deformity is Chris Evans, Captain America, who has pectus E, but has gotten cosmetic surgery to fix it. Pectus E is about 1 in 1500. And pectus C is about 1 in 2500. Source. I have pectus C. Babies are born with teeth under their eyes. If you touch the right place, you can feel them. Human teeth are stronger than steel tears of joy. There is a nerve that goes up your torso that, when massaged, will instantly stop hiccups. The only way to massage the nerve is to finger your butthole. If a substance cannot dissolve in your saliva, you will not try it.